Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable notification timing for 25 seconds on Facebook Web using your PC. This is part of Facebook's newer accessibility updates, and it's especially useful if you want more time to read notifications before they disappear. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Facebook on your desktop browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This section controls how Facebook appears and behaves visually. Next, go ahead and enter Accessibility Settings. This is where Facebook provides additional controls to make your experience more comfortable and easier to use. Inside Accessibility Settings, click on Display. This section includes options related to how content is shown on your screen. Now, look for the option called Notifications Timing. Click on it, and you'll see different timing choices available. Select 25 seconds to extend how long notifications stay visible on your screen. This is perfect if you often miss notifications or need more time to read them. After selecting 25 seconds, don't forget to click on Save to apply your changes. And that's it. From now on, your Facebook notifications will stay on screen longer, giving you a better and more relaxed viewing experience. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tutorials to get the most out of your favorite apps.